Hello friends, this is Nilima. Welcome to NJ classes. Our today's topic is what is even and odd numbers. So let's start with even numbers. Even numbers end in 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. For example, 10 is an even number as it ends in 0. 278 is even number as it ends in 8. 9376 is even number as it ends in 6. An even number is any integer divisible by 2. If we consider any integer as n, then we can write it as 2n, as that integer is multiple of 2. Even numbers are positive and negative integers. Now let's see what is odd number. Odd number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. For example, 25 is odd number as it ends in 5. 683 is odd number as it ends in 3. 8349 is odd number as it ends in 9. An odd number is any integer which is not divisible by 2. Whenever we divide any odd number by 2, we will get 1 as a remainder. So we can write odd number as 2n plus 1. Odd numbers are positive and negative integers. So friends, I hope you would understand. To find out the given number is odd or even, just focus on the last digit of a number. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Thank you.